Got a Gen 2 Kwikset Smartkey. I think it's Gen 2. Because you can tension it with a regular tension wrench. We're going to try to open it. And then we're going to gut for the first time if I do get it open. Drop something. I was close and I dropped something. Oh my gosh, there it goes. All right. I gotta say, this thing has been very camera shy for me. I've tried a few weeks ago and gave up out of frustration, but we're freaking open, baby. All right, and I'll just show you before I take this thing apart. I can't get it back together, probably. The key does work, of course. And the whole cylinder comes out because I lost the pin. Okay, we're gonna move this crap out of the way. And we're gonna try to gut it. This will be interesting. Okay, get my little spanner wrench out of my bag here. There it is. All right. I got this little clip back here. Probably help if I get it in camera, huh? Let me readjust real quick. Make sure we don't lose it out of focus here. That looks better. Okay. right, we're still focused. Maybe I ought to zoom in here a little bit, huh? Maybe that'll help things. Okay. So there we go. There goes the sidebar. All right, and that was number 5. So 1. Make sure we're still in frame here. Mom says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the order we're going in. Just so I take mental note. 2. The wafer stacks. And man, looking at that for the first time, not on a video, those things are, no wonder it doesn't take much to get that thing to move. Yep, and I know these are hard to get out here. Yep, there that went. Yep, there's springs. May have lost one. See, sorry, moving this here. You know, I don't even care if I have sacrificed this lock. It's nice to finally get it open on camera, and I hope this is acceptable to get purple belt. But I think I did lose 1 and 1 on the floor there when that thing came apart. I'm gonna check the floor real quick. Oop, not a spring. There's 1 spring, and I'm just missing, oh, nope, it's in there. Boom. Okay. There is a Kwikset Smartkey picked and gutted. And we'll just kind of zoom in real quick before we call it.